In a world where modern warfare constantly evolves, there exists a machine, not just of brute strength, but of strategic significance. A behemoth clad in armor, designed not just to build, but to withstand the harsh realities of conflict. Today on GeoLand, we delve into the fascinating world of the Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer, a machine that has reshaped the landscape of military engineering and has become a symbol of resilience and controversy on the battlefield. From its origins as a standard construction vehicle to its transformation into a fortified giant, the journey of the D9 is as compelling as it is complex. It's a story that intertwines technology, warfare, and the relentless pursuit of tactical advantage. But what lies beneath this steel giant's armored shell? How has it become a pivotal tool in the arsenal of one of the world's most formidable military forces? And why does it continue to be a subject of heated debate on the global stage? Join us as we uncover the layers, explore the mechanics, and dive into the strategic role of this fearsome machine. Welcome to GeoLand, where we bring the wonders of engineering and the complexities of geopolitics right to your screen.
All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
The history of the D9 Bulldozer. Our journey begins in the post-World War II era, a time when the world was rebuilding and the demand for heavy machinery was at an all-time high. It was during this period that the Caterpillar D9 Bulldozer first made its mark. Introduced in the late 1950s by Caterpillar Inc., the D9 Bulldozer was a product of innovation and necessity. With its robust design and powerful engine, it quickly became a staple in construction sites around the world. But the D9 was not destined to remain just a tool for construction. Its potential for military application caught the eye of the Israeli Defense Forces, who saw in it more than just a machine for moving earth. The transformation was profound. The IDF, known for their innovative military solutions, began modifying these bulldozers with armor plating, remote controls, and other military-grade enhancements. This marked the birth of the armored D9 Bulldozer, a machine that would soon become a symbol of strength and resilience. The armored D9 made its debut in a time of conflict and quickly proved its worth. From clearing landmines to creating safe passages through hostile territories, the D9 became an indispensable part of the IDF's engineering corps. Throughout its service, the D9 has been at the forefront of numerous military operations. Its presence on the battlefield, often under the harshest of conditions, has not only been a tactical asset but also a psychological one, symbolizing an unyielding force in the face of adversity. From a humble beginning as a construction vehicle to its rise as a military powerhouse, the story of the D9 Bulldozer is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. But this is just the beginning of our exploration. Technical specifications. As we delve deeper into the world of the Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer, it's crucial to understand what sets this machine apart. Let's peel back the layers and look at the technical marvels that define this steel giant. At the heart of the D9 lies a Powerhouse engine, capable of delivering immense force and endurance. Originally equipped with a horsepower that rivaled its contemporaries, the D9 has evolved to become even more formidable, adapting to the ever-increasing demands of military operations. But it's not just the engine that makes the D9 a beast on the battlefield. The transformation from a construction vehicle to a military asset involved significant modifications. The most notable is its armor. Reinforced with ballistic steel plates, the D9's armor is designed to withstand heavy gunfire, explosions, and even anti-tank mine blasts. In an innovative twist, some D9 units are equipped with remote control capabilities, allowing operators to maneuver the bulldozer in high-risk environments from a safe distance. This technology not only enhances the safety of the personnel, but also increases the bulldozer's operational range in hostile territories. The versatility of the D9 is another aspect that makes it invaluable. Equipped with a variety of attachments, from ripper blades to rock drills, the D9 can perform a multitude of tasks, from clearing debris and fortifying positions to creating pathways in rugged terrains. The D9 Bulldozer, as we see it today, is the result of continuous innovation and adaptation. It stands as a testament to the ingenuity of military engineering, constantly evolving to meet the challenges of modern warfare. Strategic importance in modern warfare. Having explored the formidable technical capabilities of the Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer, we now turn to its role on the modern battlefield. This steel behemoth is not just a tool of construction, it's a strategic asset in the theater of war. In the hands of the Israeli Defense Forces, the D9 Bulldozer has become a key player in urban and border conflicts. Its ability to navigate through and reshape hostile environments makes it an invaluable asset in both offensive and defensive operations. One of the primary roles of the D9 is in the creation of safe passages for troops and civilians. In urban warfare, where the landscape is dense and unpredictable, the D9 clears paths, removes obstacles, and even dismantles explosive devices, providing safe routes for soldiers and aid workers. But the impact of the D9 extends beyond its physical capabilities. Its presence on the battlefield carries a psychological weight. For the IDF, it's a symbol of strength and resilience. For their adversaries, it's a daunting sight, often demoralizing and deterring hostile actions. Military experts often highlight the strategic versatility of the D9. Whether it's fortifying positions, creating barriers, or assisting in rescue operations, the D9's adaptability in various combat scenarios is unparalleled. In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, the Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer stands as a unique fusion of engineering and strategy. Its role extends far beyond mere mechanical function, becoming a pivotal element in the complex chess game of military tactics. Controversies and global impact. While the Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer is celebrated for its engineering prowess and strategic value, it also stands at the center of heated debates and controversies. In this segment, we delve into the complex and often contentious role of the D9 on the global stage. The use of the D9 in conflict zones has sparked international scrutiny. Critics argue that its deployment in densely populated areas can lead to civilian casualties and property destruction, raising questions about the ethics of using such powerful machinery in urban warfare. Human rights organizations and international law experts have weighed in on the debate. They point out the challenges of balancing military necessity with the obligation to minimize harm to civilians, a dilemma that is intensified by the D9's sheer power and capability. The D9 has undeniably influenced Israel's military strategy, particularly in its conflicts with neighboring entities. Its role in operations has been both lauded for its effectiveness and criticized for its heavy-handedness, affecting Israel's international relations and public image. The use of the D9 Bulldozer in conflict zones also raises broader questions about modern warfare. It challenges us to consider the implications of employing such formidable machines in combat and the fine line between military advantage and humanitarian concerns. As the world grapples with these complex issues, the story of the Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer serves as a stark reminder of the intricate interplay between military innovation, ethical considerations, and the pursuit of peace in an increasingly complicated global landscape. Future of armored engineering vehicles. As we've explored the remarkable journey of the Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer, it's time to turn our gaze to the horizon. What does the future hold for armored engineering vehicles like the D9? Let's venture into the realm of possibilities and innovation. The landscape of military engineering is constantly evolving. driven by technological advancements and strategic demands. The future of vehicles like the D9 is likely to be shaped by cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and enhanced armor materials. Imagine a future where armored bulldozers are equipped with AI, capable of making autonomous decisions in the heat of battle. Remote operation technology could also advance, allowing for even more precise and safer control from distant locations. As these engineering marvels become more sophisticated, the ethical considerations we discussed earlier will become even more pertinent. The challenge will be to harness these advancements for the greater good while ensuring they are used responsibly. Around the world, other nations are also developing their versions of armored engineering vehicles, each with unique features and capabilities. This global trend points towards a future where such machines play increasingly pivotal roles in both military and humanitarian operations. The Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of the relentless pursuit of innovation in the face of adversity. As we look ahead, it stands as a precursor to a new era of military engineering, one that promises both awe-inspiring advancements and profound challenges. As we conclude our deep dive into the world of the Israeli armored D9 Bulldozer, we reflect on the journey we've taken. From its humble beginnings to its rise as a military icon, the D9's story is one of innovation, strategy, and controversy. We've explored the D9's historical roots, marveled at its technical prowess, understood its strategic significance in modern warfare, grappled with the ethical dilemmas it presents, and pondered its future in the evolving landscape of military engineering. Here at GeoLand, our mission transcends beyond just sharing content. We are committed to uncovering the truth, delving into the depths of each subject with rigor and integrity. Our pursuit is not just about presenting facts, it's about fostering understanding and enlightenment. In our quest for truth, GeoLand chooses to remain anonymous. This anonymity is our strength, allowing us to present unbiased and unfiltered content. It's not about who we are, it's about the stories we tell and the truths we unveil. Every view, every share, every subscriber helps us grow and improve. Your support empowers us to continue our journey to bring more exclusive content that enlightens and informs. By sharing our videos, you become a part of our mission, a mission to spread knowledge and truth. If you found value in our exploration today, please consider sharing this video and subscribing to GeoLand. Your support is not just appreciated, it's essential. Together, let's continue to seek the truth and share it with the world. Thank you for being a part of our journey.